Hello, welcome back guys to Spotoria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable lock folder in camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course just go ahead to this camscanner applications on your phone, and after as you can see here, I have folders, yeah guys, on this file options. This is my folder, and if you wanna enable it for the lock folder, here I'm gonna tap on the three dot button beside the folder's name. I'm gonna tap on it like this secret folder will found in here, the lock folder options. Just tap on it, and yeah, we have to make or create the 4 digits password or pin for our folder. I'm gonna tap on it like this, and now re-enter it again to confirmations. And when it's done, if we wanna open it again for the folder, just tap on it. We have to enter it for the password or the pin that we have made before, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.